Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stampin' Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day, and I want to show you a really cute little note card. Some of you will be getting this note card this week or next week, depending upon when I get them all made, but I'm making a bunch of these for the folks that have gotten my catalogs or ordered catalogs from me. So what we're going to need is we're going to be using the Incredible Like You stamp set from the Occasions catalog. We are going to be using Calypso Coral, Petal Pink, Soft Sea Foam, and Pool Party ink. And we're going to be using just one of the Whisper White note cards. And of course, we're going to be using the Stamparatus. So I'm going to fix up the Stamparatus. Let me put that there like that. I want to get another. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to set up the Stamparatus a little bit differently. I'm going to put it in the middle. Just make sure I've got it right there. I'm going to line it up at the 4-inch, right on the top of this piece of grid paper, okay? Just like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the stamps I'm going to be using. I love this. I love the geometrics of this one. I'm going to take out the saying, and I'm going to be using this saying that says, "Hope your day is as amazing as you." And I'm going to be doing the flower. Okay? And I'm going to put this back underneath here. Then I'm going to set it up. So first off, I'm going to make sure it is like that. I'm going to put this in the middle. So 2 1/8. So about like that. I'm going to put the flower here. And I'm going to put the saying here. Now I'm going to wait a little bit after I have to do this first so I can line up the detailed flower. So I'm putting that on the side. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that, grab all of the stuff. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do petal pink on the flower. I am going to do soft sea foam on the geometric lines, on the lines. And I'm going to do pool party on the saying. Okay? And then I'm just going to bring those over. Oh, I see I don't have enough soft sea foam on that one. There we go, a little bit better. And then what I'm going to do, oh, don't have enough on that petal pink. Yeah. Going to just put that up there. There. Then I'm going to line this up, the more detailed flower. Pick that up, and I'm going to do Calypso Coral if it doesn't get all over the trailer. I'm so glad Calypso Coral is, or all of ours are water solvent. Lately I've been dropping some. There you go. There. Hope your day is as amazing as you. Thanks for visiting. Make sure you follow me on YouTube, and all the information to purchase this stuff from me is down below. I really would appreciate if you do purchase from me. I am falling a little behind and need some. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.